Alright, 3 games down, 3 games to go dito po sa ating Delta Cup. Maya't magkapanapon kayo. Ryan Paro muli. Live na live dito sa BREN Convention Center sa San Fernando City, Pampanga. Ang home team po ng San Fernando ay ang kakalabanin nila ay ang Bayan ng Santa Ana for our continuing coverage of the Delta Cup. You may like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages kung saan nagla-live stream itong liga ito sa ating Pampanga Information Office and likewise Sina Liga Asia. Just beside me are some of the fans here na talagang excited na makita ang kanilang kupunan. And of course, may mga cash prizes dito na nakapaloob sa magiging winner, and we will announce that later in this tournament. But for the meantime, we'll focus on hand as we get along for this lineup, starting lineup for both squads. It's going to be the home team of San Fernando versus Santa Ana up next dito sa Delta Cup. Stay tuned. We're a few seconds away to start this lineup for both squads. Of course, for Santa Fernando wearing in red, we have a Cosal, number 13, number 15, and number 17 who jumped the ball, and of course number 34, Santa Ana just lucky. Santiago, number 18, number 9, number 7, and number 6. Ito po ang game 4 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup after a 3 games na talaga naman makapigil hininga. Miss Santiago off a 3-point miss. First possession for San Fernando. He's swinging the ball around on the right wing. Baseline drive. Shot na malalim ang kanyang tira. So dito, wala pa pong score ang kabilang kapitan. Attack by Santiago. First bucket of the ball game. Play number 5 daw, sabi ni Dizon, wala pa po score dito ang City of San Fernando, host team of this Delta Cup. The renovated BREN Convention Center. Dizon, runner. To all, Sir Tally. Lumabas si Santiago off the pick. Ball's loose. Tied up. Ito tayong jump ball. We'll go back to San Fernando. Here's the high-low play ng San Fernando. Hop step, the drop. That pass was not anticipated pretty well. So, bola mapupunta sa Santa Ana. So far, Santa Ana, they scored a free goal, pero yung mga plays, minsan nila ay nababasa ng San Fernando. From the left corner, 3-pointer. Nothing but net. Nicely done. And number 7 nakabusklod ng 3-point shot na yun. Read is 5 to baseline. Here's the attack. Pinilit niya tira. Konting sa pinto dito. Masyado malalim ang tira. And Santa Ana now with the ball. Here's Peña. Last shot, didn't work. San Fernando on the run. Here's Coral. Dribble step, goes right, side step. Coral, pinilit, wala. Gets it right back. Tenacity off the boards is Coral. 5-4, Santa Ana up by 1. Jumper. Malakas para kay Balbag. Here's the break. And the bucket by the little guy of San Fernando. Si itong guy nito po si Dizon, talagang very shifty sa kanyang size. 6'5 na lamang po ang San Fernando ng 10 puntos. 7 minutes remaining. 3 minutes stand by first quarter. Second break move. Peña swings it to the right. The side step. Wrap around to Peña. Overhead pass. 3 points to Peña. May foul. May foul si Siazo. Sometimes tendency kapag gusto mong kikita ng depensa. Ayun, natatawagan ka tuloy ni referee ng foul. So that puts the man on the free throw line for 3 attempts dahil nag-foul siya outside the 3-point arc. Again, this is now game 4 of 6. Meron po tayong dalawa pang laro after this at meron po tayong 6 bukas in the same venue. So we will play 12 games here for the Delta Cup. One more free throw for him. And all points coming from him sa Santa Ana. 8 points. Compared to San Fernando, 2 plays already scored. 16 to shoot now for San Fernando. Looking for a more decent play. Dizon. Right corner 3. Malakas. Anticipate ang pass ang turnover. Para sa Santa Ana. Ay, bagsak. Dalawang player, Dizon picks the ball up. Here's the attack, binangga. Ayun, binangga ni Santiago. That will be a foul against Santiago. Inbound now for the red shirts of San Fernando. Cut from the baseline. Alley-oop play. Hindi na binaba. Nicely done by Cosal. So far, Cosal scored half of the points of San Fernando. He's got 4 out of the 8 points. Approaching 6 minutes in the first quarter. The shoot is 5 seconds. And then instead he will take the free throws as a consolation. One more free throw. One more. Tied at 8 apiece. There's now 9-8. Dalawang pa na to ay very silent workers but very effective. And just like that, we're almost halfway point of the first quarter. It is Coral, may konting tulak. The referee says there's a foul before that. Inbound, San Fernando. Baseline, spin, the drop, corner, flip, yeah. Masok. Nice done assist there. And naka-score si Padayaw. Sidestep move. Oy, gumamit ang banda. Ganda naman noon ang tira ni Malyari. 12-10. Ayan, gan panapon kay kayo makapagkabalin. Still watching Delta Cup. My name is Ryan Parr. Sidestep. Nobody picked that drop pass. 6 to shoot. 3-point shot. Off the mark. Bola na ngayon Araya. Takbo na ngayon. Here's another family dish. Santana. Yelling play number 4 but it will not materialize. Tapik. At tumama sa paa ni Direk Jetro. Nakasama ng ating team. Ng ating mga team dito sa D&D Media. Of course, kasama diyan si Naar, si Shelby, yung D&D production team natin sa Delta Cup. Inbound. Miranda. Baseline. Magandang drop pass. Hindi lang pumasok. Sinicure ni Padilla ang rebound para sa San Fernando. Only a point. Press. Kung pumasok, wala. Santa Ana ngayon, may tangan. Miranda, drop. Nako. Napunta sa kanyang kakampi, pero di pumasok. Osal, rebound. Takbo si Dison. No look pass. Ganda naman nun. Balik sa 3 putos ang abandon San Fernando. 4 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Ten on the shot clock. Peña. 3 on the shot clock. Do you have the shot clock? I don't think so. Sayang yung tira na yun dahil 24 second ang violation at kapag silang 24. (14-11). 3 putos ang nabante ng San Fernando. 3:35 remaining in the first quarter. Agaw dito. Touch passing. And the finish. Wala lang yung San Fernando. 10 putos ang kampante. Punano. From the corner. Low post play. Dalawas kumalubong. Uy, bininus ko. Pero huli ng referee, may foul. Tatawagan ay si number 3 ng Santa Ana. Ayan, si Galing. Tingnan natin yung nangyari sa replay. Euro binangga. Boom, boom. Pag-aari special game pala. Si Ramirez ay papasok para sa San Fernando. 14-second shot clock po tayo. Huli sana, kaso ang problema may foul. Sumabit ang kamay. Ayan, si number 26 ng Santa Ana tinawagan ng foul. Hindi natin sa replay. Wow. Huli. May foul. Pasok ang tira ni David. 15-13 na po. Lamang ang 2 puntos sa San Fernando. Saktong 3 minuto na lamang sa ating unang yugto. Wala ang pangalawa pero nakuha pa rin ng bola. Oh, ginamit ang banda. Magandang panimula ito sa San Fernando. Namang sila ng 4. Tatime out po ang Santa Ana. Nanood po kayo ng Delta. Apat na puntos ang kabante ng San Fernando sa Santa Ana ng Delta Cup. Umuli si Ryan Palm. Ika-4 sa 6 na laro ngayong araw na ito at meron pa po tayong 6 na laro bukas. Live po tayo ngayon dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Samantalang Santa Ana, uy, ang pasa malalim pero may foul sabi ng referee. Nahuli daw yung double. May foul muna daw. Okay, balik ang bola sa Santa Ana. Merong illegal pick na nangyari at si Saliman ang tinawagan ng offensive foul para sa Santa Ana. 2 minuto, 40 segundo sa ating unang yugto. Nagtitimon si Kunanan. Pumunta sa kaliwa, hindi makatira. Si Bilalik. Doon ang pasa. At basket para sa San Fernando. Panoorin natin yung replay kung paano nila nagawa yun. Foul si number 13 ng Santa Ana. Kaya tingnan natin ha. Wow, talagang hinang time na yun. No? Hinaan sa hangad at diskarte. Pero may sa pito. Nakuha pa rin na Santa Ana ang bola. Ayun, naagaw lang ang Santa Ana. San Fernando, nagkakabulabog na dito. At ang player ng Santa Ana, numero 11, ay tinawagan ng traveling. 19-13. The lead is 6 para sa San Fernando. 2 minuto na lamang. Uy, nakaskol. Nasawi, muntik nang makaskol ng layup. Gandang lusot. Meron tayong foul at panoorin natin kung paano nangyari itong si Kunanan. Gandang lusot. Crossover. Oh! Kita foul si number 4 ni Santa Ana. Kunanan, naipasok ang kanyang unang free throw. Lamang San Fernando ng 6. Unti-unti lumalayo ang home team ng City of San Fernando. 2 minuto na lang nalalabis natin unang minuto. Ngayon ay 8 na. Magandang panimulayan para kay Kunanan. Santa Ana magpe-play number 1. Punta sa kaliwang bahagi ng court. Binubulabong ni Kunanan. Masyado madikit ang depensa. At sa Kunanan ay tinawagan ng foul. Blocking foul. Meron na naman 15 seconds on the shot clock para sa Santa Ana. Para mag-manufacture ng play. Nasa kanila pa rin ang bola. Samantala, mayroon tayong pito. Sa minuto 4 na segundo, may 3-point shot. Ay, teka. Masyadong maraming apak yan. Sayang ang kanyang layup, hindi counted. At siya ay tinawagan ng traveling. Ito ay pangatlong traveling. Op. Merong inadverted buzzer. Ayun. Op. Teka muna. Ito yung tinatawag na inadverted buzzer. Kakaproblema talaga tayo sa scoreboard. $13 seconds na naman sa shot clock ng Santa Ana. Ika-4 na laro sa 6. Meron pa tayong 2 mamaya. Nadulas. Nabulabog. At nagawa ng tuluyan. Crossover. Pinilit. Merong foul. Ang foul ay si number 1 ng Santa Ana. Penalty na po ang Santa Ana. Free throws na. Sa pang free throw. Baba tayo sa 1 minuto 11 segundo. Split. 22-13. Lamang San Fernando ng Siyam. Kakagulo depensa ng Santa Ana. Mayroong double team sa taas. 8 on the shot clock. Ito, Tubira. Pumasok. Turnover na naman. $44 seconds na lamang sa ating first quarter. Nakagaw dito San Fernando. 6 na puntos. Padilla, sumagitsit. Wala. Putback. Counted yan. Bonus free throw po. 27 seconds na lamang sa ating unang ito. Three-point play na ikompleto. Top play na Santa Ana. Probably a last play bago tayo matapos sa first quarter. 12 on the shot clock. Nabitawan ng bola. Ito na naman ang pass break ng San Fernando. 5 segundo. Okay, tapos na oras. Tapos na oras sa ating first quarter. Ating score now 25-16 lamang ang San Fernando ng Siam. Of course, habang tinatapos natin first quarter, panoorin natin mga highlights. Magbabalik po kami. All right, we're about to start the second quarter of this basketball game. And San Fernando, with a good account of themselves, they're up by 11 as we start the second period. My name is Rampal for the Delta Cup 2023 Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament for Pampanga. Almost a lost possession there. Baldana was called for. 27-16. Ramirez. Padilla. Back to Ramirez. 16 to shoot. Picked by Ramirez is the lob pass to no one. It hit our cameraman. Hit on the foot. But he's smiling. That's part of the game, he says. 9.5 minutes, 30 seconds gone by in the second quarter. Here's the move. Short. Gets it right back and there's a foul by Ramirez. Again, this is the Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament brought to you by Pampanga Information Office, headed by no less than Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. This is powered by Sinag Media Asia. You may like, share, and subscribe to PIO and Sinag Media Asia Facebook pages and other social media content. Split charities. The lead is 10, 27-17. Back to San Fernando basketball. Inside, nice play. What a nice touch pass there by San Fernando. Mayaba issuing that assist. Here's the cut. This shot by Santana. Approaching 8 minutes in the second quarter. And what? We have a turnover for San Fernando. Well, at least for San Fernando, slowly but surely, they increasing the lead even further. It is now with a 12-point edge. home team displaying its home court savvy. However, there's a turnover, and they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. (29-17). 8:10 remaining in the second quarter. 3-point shot on its way. Villegas soars high for the rebound for San Fernando. Inside the drop. Not too much. One more serving. Calling 7-2 We will take 2 free throws. Well, that's the story of San Fernando. They are collaborating inside. 2 or 3 passes into that restricted area. Take a look at this replay. Pass on the right, rebound on the left, in the middle. Good box out tactics. So that's San Fernando's style of basketball. 2 free throws. 29-17. Mendoza short on his first attempt. (30-17) San Fernando. From the corner. Oh, it could have been a stepping. Represented caught it. Tight pass. Taken away. Layup short for Santa Ana. That's Balhadia. Ramirez no look. Almost tripped. And that's put back. The lead is 15 now, 32-17. 7 minutes remaining in the second quarter. What will be in store for Santa Ana? Again, another inside drive. Unsuccessful. All right, we have Hunanan had a good first quarter. We were placed. And the lead is 30-17. 6:51 remaining in the second. Neither team in penalty. Santa Ana has 1. San Fernando has 2. Take a look at this last replay. Oh. Let's show that again. Here's the low post. There's the foul. Is there any second motion? I don't think so. Back to live action here in San Fernando. Two free throws now for one more free throw for him. Still a miss. All right, shot clock is a problem now for Santa Ana. The drop to Santiago. Sidestep, clobbered. Here's the fake baseline. Yes. So Fernando looking for better options. They have a 12-point lead now. Inside incursion, almost. And he will take 2 on that last bit of action. Replay shows like this. There's a foul upstairs. Two free throws now for San Fernando, and I would like to thank some of the fans here that posting in Facebook. That's Nathan Sik Alfaro, Sean Musi, Angel rather, Tino Vital, and Prince John Santos Marin. 5:57 left in the second quarter, 33-20 San Fernando leading now. Low post play. Kick out, 3 ball. That's not the case. Having problems right now from the 3-word poacher. Nice ball movement displayed by San Fernando. Inside incursion, rattles out. They have a good thing in mind, but they didn't execute it fast enough. Malyari forces his way. Dismal failure. Padaya clears the board. And there's going to be a foul. (33-20). And slow-mo replay shows you the last incident of a foul. It's in Tagalog, kitang-kita in broad daylight. 5:13 remaining. Another turnover given up by San Fernando. Now, Santa Ana mounting play number 1. 13-point deficit. Halfway point in the second quarter. Balahadya, Malyari, still can't find his form outside. Nilapit. Yes, sir. The lead is 11. Finally, is a Santa Ana steal. They blew it. They blew it again. There's a foul. (33-22) now. The lead is 12, or rather 11 for San Fernando. Three ball won't work. And here comes Santa Ana on the break. Safe. That one, that pass is a little bit too wayward. So, very few field goals for Santa Ana and a lot of turnovers. And thank you for those 400 viewers still watching here for the Delta Cup. Inside incursion, rattles out. One more serving, still unsuccessful. Well, they have the chances. They just keep on blowing it. Only 14 to shoot. Inside play, nope. Put back. That time he makes good. You know, San Fernando is a very, very simple, well-oriented team. Padaya this time makes the pay. This replay shows you why. Great presence of mind by Padaya. 35-22 now. Less than 4 minutes remaining this first half. And so far, Santa Ana can't solve the puzzle of San Fernando's exploiting all those miscues of they have. One-handed by Alijard, failed to deliver. There's a steal on the other end, and there's a foul. And it will be 2 free throws now for the defendant party. Clock's frozen. 3 minutes and 34 seconds in the first half. Two free throws now. Check the time. The time remaining is 3 minutes and 34. Okay, we'll adjust the time there on our live stream. Side step. He almost went in. Put back. He won't be denied. (37-23). Fast break again for San Fernando. Touch passing. Nicely done. And Santa Ana presses the timeout buzzer. Enjoy this. The highlights of San Fernando's second quarter exploits. Back at these reminders. Back to live action, of course. One of the premier referees of FIBA, Michael Galotera. Also, earlier we see Bird Chitsuga and the rookie, Anthony Roque, also joining the officials earlier. And Ryan Power here. This is already game 4 of 6. We still have 2 more games to go, and we have 6 more games tomorrow for our Delta Cup. 2:55 in the second. That's an air ball shot. You know, as a coach, if you have those kind of shots for Santa Ana, it will not work you well. It will be against the odds. Pressure now for Santa Ana, and there is going to be an offensive foul. Ready to acknowledge, number 17 player. Adaya was called for the offensive foul. Kick out, one-handed. It rattles out. No, the breaks are going San Fernando's way. The spin, the drop, block, there's a foul. Free throw time now for Padilla. And of course, thank you for the 300 plus viewers that still watching the Delta Cup in their spare time. Now, Santa Ana ball. 2.5 minutes remaining. Pressure is on, and it leaves about a second on the shot clock. San Fernando steals it, and that's almost a beautiful play. Put back. Season. Light in the gun for San Fernando, approaching the 2-minute mark. Great press break. Malyari scores. Hop, step, and jump. Foul. It will be 2 free throws. Take a look at this. Here's the hop. Here's the jump. Here is the foul. Two minutes remaining, and Casol tested his free throw prowess, which is not impressive at all, if you're gonna ask me. Inside incursion still unsuccessful. Santa Ana. Nice save there by Lefaro. Layup. Nicely converted. Oh, crossover there almost. That time, well, he caught steps too many because of that error from the baseline. That's number 2. What was that? That's Kusal was called for traveling. Another turnover. Well, 15-point lead, San Fernando. They're on the way. If they continue to erect a 20 or 30-point lead, this game will be over. Not unless Santa Ana will mount a full-scale uprising, just like in the third quarter, but we'll be right back after this time. (42-37), the lead is 15. A minute and 20 remaining in the first half. City of San Fernando so far enjoying this 15-point lead. Hopefully they can erect a 30 to 40 scale, big scale tournament like this. 10 to 10. Here's the drive. Kunanan, 6 to shoot, bottle up, 4 to shoot. 1 second to go. They're not aware of the shot clock. The shot clock violation. .45 seconds to go. Whoop! A careless pass, but it will stay with the white shirts. And they have 14 seconds on the shot clock, and we're about to embark on our halftime recess. And so far, it's all San Fernando from the get-go. Baseline drive. There is a foul. This little guy now will shoot 2 free throws for Santana. .34 seconds. The lead is 14 now. Dizon, the third quarterback for San Fernando. He will not shortly take the 3 and almost making it, but there is a beautiful stick back by Padilla that wows the crowd. Yee. Final 7 seconds. Inside, and Padilla with a block. With a wee. Let's see that again. .42 seconds. All right, there's a whistle by the ref. And it will be Santa Ana ball with 4.2 seconds. One last attempt for Santa Ana. Looking. Here's the touch pass inside right down the base. news for you 2 seconds. That should do it. Well, after 20 minutes of playing time, only 28 points for Santa Ana. So far, City of San Fernando cruising with a 44 points. We'll be back our halftime analysis and also some halftime highlights for you. This is the Delta Cup. Okay, bago tayo mag-umpisa sa ating second half, let's show you some highlights of the first half. Ito yung fast break ng San Fernando. Naka-score dyan si number 22 Padilla. At yung kapilang kanto naman, ayun, basket din. Si number 12 Mendoza. Baseline drive ng Santa Ana, 100 jump shot. Swak-swak. Patumalyari. And these are some of the highlights. And of course, we shall return for the third quarter after this. You are still watching Delta Cup. We'll bring you to the second half in just a moment. Okay, we're moments away para umpisahan natin itong third quarter ng laban ito. Santa Ana with a 28-point output as compared to San Fernando. We have 44 points. San Fernando wearing in red and Santa Ana wearing in white. Ako si Ryan para doing the call for the Delta Cup as we start the third quarter basketball action. Birthday boy, birthday Tsuga, isa sa ating mga referees. Kasama rin si Pataweg and Michael Galotera. Fast break finish. Hindi nangyari yan sa Santa Ana. And it is a basket for Santa Ana. But it is down to 16. That's the 14. The 30 to 44. Ramirez. They swing it around, kick out, 3 ball, off to the right. Siazon tumira. Wala pa rin. And here goes Santa Ana now with a 14-point hole na kailangan hinahabol. Masyadong malalim yung tirang 3-point shot. That's a fourth shot. Easy rebound by Siazon. Tinatakbuhan sila ng San Fernando. They don't have numbers. From the baseline, ilabas. Unanan, the lob. Here's the bank shot. Pumasok. Ignacio tumatakbo para sa Santa Ana. The drop pass. Ilabas, kick out. 3-point shot on its way. It's a foul by Bayabay. It's one of the cardinal rules. Huwag niyong fa-foulin yung 3-point shooter. Kailangan challenge lang. So, tatlong free throws po yan para kay Peña. Again, itong ligang ito, Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament. Sa Pampanga, sponsored by the Pampanga Information Office. Funded by no less than Governor Dennis Tartacanena and powered by Senior Liga Asia. Presented by Chairman Rocket Chan and our Commissioner, Leo Isaac. The lead is 13. Meron pa tayong 8:39. May dalawang laro pa, Coach. San Fernando with a 13-point lead. Bakers doesn't. It is now a 12-point lead for the home teams in San Fernando. Ken, glad to have you join us. Mamaya-maya, try ko magbasa-basa ng mga messages kung meron tayong panahon. In San Fernando now employing play number 4. Siazon on the right wing, will not shoot. Here's the drive. May bangga. The referees let it go. And turnover, babalik ang bola sa Santa Ana. So, Santa Ana United for this comeback. Buslo sila ng 4 straight points. From a 28-44 halftime lead. Here's the drive. The runner. No soap. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Turn around. Another foul given up. So, ito, mag-iingat dito at San Fernando. Nagbibigay na sila ng fouls. And they're ready on the second team foul. So, tapyas ang oras. Pagkakataon makalapit ang Santa Ana. The lead is down to 11. 5-point cluster for Santa Ana to make that 6. And this is a good timeout. Hindi pala timeout. Sub lang pala. Sub. So, baba na sa 10 ang abante ng San Fernando. Wala pa silang meron pala silang 2 team fouls. Wala pa ang Santa Ana. Siazon. Naku, kapos. Walang tinamaan. Here's the point guard. Pinulabog at masyadong dinikitan. Foul si Kunana. Pero lalaman sa 14, excuse me, meron lalaman silang 14 seconds on the shot clock. And uupo muna si Siazon. Medyo unproductive ang kanyang third quarter. Naghanap si coach na talagang puputok para sa San Fernando to keep this lead afloat. Baseline. Nako, nawala ng spasyo. Turnover. Swerte sa tao na kanila pa rin bola, sabi ni referee Michael Galtero. I don't know why the shot clock was reset. 14 seconds left on shot. 10 na naman sa shot clock. Ewan ko ba't demandar. Pero di ko basok. So, bola. Uh-oh, what happened to the shot clock? Why is it not running? Montala. 3-point shot. Layo. Lob pass. That's too much. Turnover. Ayun, bumarel. Pabandang 3. Matagal na nahimik po ang San Fernando. Ayun, si Kunana naipasok ka ng 3-point shot. Balik sa 13 abante ng San Fernando. Hindi makasagot dito Santa Ana. Kunana on the break. Dish it up to the open guy. The drop pass. Now San Fernando unleashing showtime in the third period. 6-11 remaining. Third quarter. Balahati yan ang double team. That's a good pass. Nice play by Santa Ana. Finding an open guy underneath. There's Santiago. The lead is 15 now for Santa Ana. 49-36. 5:53 remaining the third. Long 3-point shot. It's out. But a good defense there, huh? Balaja drops it up to his teammate. He lost his footing. He's complaining if there's a foul, but it won't. Substitution now. That is a push by Santiago. Pwestuhan sila doon ni Padayan. Ayun, binanggat niya si Sangkar. Here's the drop. Padayon, no look. Ay, nabitawan. 6 to shoot. Kick out. Dito shot clock. Padilla. Sobra. Dito mama. Ay, that's shot clock pala. To shoot now para sa Santa Ana. Baseline. Malyari, 3 ball. Wala talaga nangyayari sa offense sa Santa. Oy, nakapulot. Ayun. Namingwit ng basura, naging ginto. Sinala mga bati ng San Fernando. 38 to 49. Time remaining is 4 minutes and 27. Depende lang yung San Fernando sa mga 3-point attempts nila. Uy, magandang pasa! What a pass! San Fernando sues for time. They sensing a change of pendulum. We'll be right back. To 49, balik tayo sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Dito San Fernando, namimiligro dahil siyam na lang ang kanilang abante. At ito na Santa Ana, ang pasa, eksakto, nakuha nila sa reverse. What a run by Santa Ana! From a 28 to 44 count, they have scored 14. Ang yan ay Santa Ana, and San Fernando only scored 5. 3-point shot. Maalat. Alam niyo, story ngayon dito sa Delta Cup ngayong araw na to, ito yung araw ng mga upsets. Kung sino yung daridehalo, yung pa yung nakakabalik sa lalo. Pinilit ni Balahadya, niluwa. Binangga. Napaka-obvious ang tawag ng referee. Si Kusala ay tinawagan ng offensive foul mula sa pagkabangga niya. Ngayon, ang momentum ng larong ito ay napunta na sa Santa Ana. To 5 run by Santa Ana. Ito, libre, 3. Yes, sir! Suddenly, just a 4-point game. Can San Fernando weather the storm? Santos, bludgeon an opponent. And he's caught with a foul. Take a look at this. Obvious foul. Galang will be going to the bench. Some problem with probably a tie. Instinct. Santa Ana's third quarter assault continues. Here's the drive, partially deflected. No! It is a basket off the glass. They pitch it in. Another exact play, but they just couldn't make that layup. Third time around, Santa Ana issuing those baseball pitch. And 3 players tied up. It will be a hell ball. Possession arrow goes to Santa Ana. The hourglass have tilted to Santa Ana's favor. Malyari wants a clear out. Cross over. Inside pass. Malyari converts. What a third quarter by Malyari. Back to a 4-point cluster for San Fernando. A missed 3 ball. Villegas drops it up. And that's one lifeline that San Fernando can have, those offensive rebounding in these close moments. Duty foul by David as Balahadja is about to strike the hole with that drive. The good thing for Santa Ana is that their opponent, San Fernando, has entered the penalty situation in this last 2 minutes. For Santa Ana to continue the comeback aspiration, they must, I repeat, they must be a good shooter as a team on the free throw line, and they do. Back to a 4-point game, 49-53. Approaching 1 minute in this third. The turnaround partially deflected. Oh, we have a tackle. Jump ball. Session out of point into San Fernando. Look at this. Oh, this is like a more horseback ride. It's like Ben tumbling. Seven on the shot. D-zone. Tightrope defense by Malyari. Draws a foul. Baseline does not deliver for San Fernando, and they now slightly feel the pressure of the Santa Ana's comeback aspirations. Dribble drive by Malyari. Slightly unproductive on that thrust. 7-point differential between the shot and the game. That's a way wide shot. Balahadja coast to coast. He scores! 2-point game. 5 seconds. One last shot, San Fernando. Half a second to go. This third quarter clearly belongs to Santa Ana. From the 28-44 standoff, they have scored 23 points as compared to Pampanga's only 9. You see the discrepancy, 23-9. Big disparity. Catch and shoot situation. That should do it. 23-9 quarter. What a quarter for Santa Ana. Chops down the lead of San Fernando to just 2. 51-53. Enjoy this break. We will bring you the payoff period here in Delta Cup. This is game 4 of 6. Fourth quarter will determine if City of San Fernando can restore the swing of the pendulum or Santa Ana can clamp down San Fernando in this game 4 of 6 of your Delta Cup basketball live at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Good afternoon, my name is Ryan Paro, and with the previous results, of course, Lubao win by a mile. Close win by I think natalo kanina yung yung Porak. We have also a win earlier. In the meantime, San Fernando was called for warning for delay of the game. Santa Ana looking for aspiration of a comeback. The fadeaway. This time the Red Shirts control the board. That they usually do, but not on the third quarter. They throw the ball away. Inside passing. Ramirez can't believe it on that last foul. Balahadja can chop down the lead to 2 again for Santa Ana. Two-point game. Both have 1 team fouls. Almost a disarray play. Ramirez clobbered, and this time the big guy scored the basket and won. That's Padayaw. Bonus situation now. All right, back to a 5-point City of San Fernando lead. Here's Balahadja. 8 to shoot, baseline. Oh, they force it, but still manage to put it in. Three-point game. Baseline. Nice getaway by Cosal. Balyaris pass. First turnover by Santa Ana in this quarter. David. Here's the three-point shot. That's missing on San Fernando. Their outside sniping has not fallen today. Eight minutes remaining in this game. And a foul given up. San Fernando. This lead is not safe at all because Santa Ana is showing their comeback prowess. It's a 3-ball. One more clock. Top shot! Oh, wow! That's a top angle. How did he find that shot? Put back. Block. Ignacio and the rest of Santa Ana. They're looking for a tie here for a 3. Crossover by Malyari. They still get the ball. Balahaja lost it and they pay the price. Five-point game. 6:50 remaining. Peña is free. You can hear someone having trumpets. Low post play. Tough reverse by Cosal. We see one highlight after the other. And there's the substitutions now. (64-57). And do we have a timeout? Okay, we have a timeout. We'll be right back. Back to live action here in San Fernando, Pampanga. It is a 7-point game by the home team. They were severely challenged by this team of Santa Ana, who had a 23-6 or 23-8 outburst in the third. Cosal, he forces his way. You see, whenever Cosal drives, there always have 2 or 3 Santa Ana men ganging up on him. And that leaves them 10 seconds on the shot clock. .550 remaining. Nice ball movement. That was missing on San Fernando in the third quarter. Padayaw, jumper from 10. Cosal, hard-nosed rebound. He will take 2 anyways. Free throws now for Osal. One more free throw for Osal. So he hit 2 this time around. 66-57. 9 points, San Fernando lead. Here's the drive, lost it. No, says the ref. There's somebody touched it last. It's 10 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, there's a coach's challenge. Direct, let's review the last out-of-bounds play. The referees will check who will have the last possession. Paki-review lang yung last play natin. We will check. It's a coach's challenge from San Fernando who will have the last possession. Top view camera na lang direct yung last play natin bago mag-shot clock 10 seconds. Okay, we will have the replay for you. Okay, here we go. Here's the inbound. Here's the pass. Yes, slow down. Yan lang. 13-12. Girian. Okay, here's the drive. Ayan, much better angle, ha? Okay, yan. Mas magandang angle to. Tuloy lang natin, ha? Tuloy lang natin. Pagdating ng 10-second shot clock, makikita natin. Ay! Wag muna! Ulit. Tuloy mo lang. Hanggang hindi ko sinasabing okay na. Hanggang hindi ko sinasabing approve. Tuloy lang natin para makita ng referee. Yan. Okay. Tuloy lang. Tuloy. Okay, here's the drive. Alright, thank you. We should now decide. After the review, the challenge was unsuccessful. So, bola pa rin ng Santa Ana. .5:21 in the fourth. Malyari. Now, suddenly, he lost his touch. The lead is 9, and I think San Fernando. Oh, look at that block! Great hustle by Malyari, but he threw the ball away. That's the only problem. Nine-point game. 5 minutes remaining in the third. Padilla will drive, one-handed. Malahaja clears. That pass is telegraph. And this player, sakit yun dahil habuli mo from court. From backcourt rather. 16 to shoot, Malyari. Baseline. Kick out. Clean interception. And Kunanan conversion. So, the comeback aspirations here of Santa Ana has been slightly dwindled. Inside. I could have counted if he made that, but he'll take 2 free throws instead. Let's see that again. Drive and drop. Konting bangga, the referee's already whistled the foul. It's a made basket. Lead is 11. Ten-point game. Let's see if San Fernando can hold on to this 10-point lead as we wind down the last 4 minutes of this game. Game 4 of 6 of our Delta Cup. He forces his way. A block shot again by Balahadya. Second time around in this quarter. But the question is, would that be enough? Balahadya needs to assert. 3 points from the left corner. Not close. And there's the what we call the collegiate hustle. And it will be a jump ball pointing to Santa Ana. 3.5 to go, ladies and gentlemen. Can San Fernando weather the Santa Ana storm? And so far they do. Pop fake, release, and suddenly Santa Ana lost its touch. All right, San Fernando now with another play. Right down the middle. Nice shot. Cunanan finding space. That might be the play for San Fernando. Now back to a 12-point cushion. Back from what we had at the start of the third quarter, this lead. Thanks to Cunanan's exploits as we move to this timeout. We're down to the final 2 minutes and 51. We will determine if San Fernando can hold on to this. They're now playing the clock now. The shot clock is at 7. Double team. Intercepted. Balahadya all the way. And San Fernando will keep this. As the time slowly ticking away from the head of Santa Ana. 10 on the shot clock. Cunanan has been a vital factor. He will be one of the prime candidates for best player honors. That guy, Cunanan. Cunanan misses. Fresh shot clock. Here's the drive. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Molten Official Shoes. Oh, what a nice move by Ramirez. And so far, Cunanan has been effective. 10 to shoot. Bucket there by Santa Ana. Cunanan is the guy who weathered the storm. After the lead is chopped down to 2, suddenly Cunanan making some plays, making headways, and restoring sanity as far as San Fernando is concerned. As we see this reverse layup. And this game now for San Fernando is in the refrigerator. The door is closed. There's a cooling. The ball is getting harder here. 74 to 60. And the rebound by Cunanan. Round of applause for both teams. Look at the sportsmanship, huh? Both Santa Ana and San Fernando having round of applause. Shot clock at 5. We are about ready to interview the best player of the ball game. So there's a miss. And central rebound. Inside pass. Nicely done. Adaya with the final lane of the coffin. Balahadya misses 3. And that should do it. Sabi niya pala, dak daw, dak. Sabi, wag na. Kalipasin na natin ito. Tapos na ang laro. San Fernando will get their third straight victory. They're now on the top of the team standings. We'll just update game clocks back again. The final score 60 points for Santa Ana and 74 points for San Fernando. Best player of the ball games, Kunana. We'll interview that in a moment, so stay tuned as we wrap up this game 4 of 6.
Mic test. Second. Test.
Sound check 1, mic test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sound check 1, 2, 3.
Muli, ang San Fernando, dinumina ang laro, 76-60. Best player of the ballgame natin ay si Kuya. First name muli, Andrew Cunanan. Andrew, nung nakalapit ang kalaban nyo, yung Santa Ana, by 2 points in third quarter, anong nasa isip mo na orchestrate mo yung play sa mga teammates at ngayon nanalo kayo ng ganito?
Ano lang po, ginagawa lang po namin yung pinapagawa ni Coach. Pinapagawa lang po yung mga set play ni Coach saka yung mga sistema namin sa loob. Nagpapasalamat pala ako kay Coach Jan Manabat sa pagtuturo sa amin at sa mga taga-UE community tsaka yung mga kaibigan namin sa Chinaul.
Dahil nakabati ka namin, tatanungin ka, pag nakaharap mo yung porak, nakaharap mo yung lugar, paano mo ito mapaghandaan?
Ano po, magti-training pa siguro yan tsaka susunod lang po sa sistema.
Alright, our best player of the ballgame, Andrew Cunanan, congratulations. Coming up next, we have Santa Rita and another team that will play also when the Delta Cup continues after this moment.